Hello guys, welcome back to another time with nature. For those of you that are new here, welcome, and this is Shazzy's Chop House. So today is episode 5, or today is week 5 of another time with nature. So today we'll still be in Shevchenko Park. Previous video was also at Shevchenko Park because the park is really big, and then we had to split it, so there'll be different sections. And this section is going to be the flower sections. Stay with me. So let's, view nature together. I'll go out. I'll take time to look at the flowers. I mean, they bring colors into the world. They are so vibrant, so beautiful, and then they're full of life. They radiate and absorb the warmth and brightness of the sun. It is also the sun that reflects their image with passion and love. This is nature. Pay attention and see the way they bloom into confidence, and they stand tall together with confidence. It actually takes a special gardener to realize and know that these beauties are so rare. They are so precious. And they will continue to bloom when they are given this love, the time, affection, because they truly deserve it. But when neglected, they become something else you wouldn't want to admire. But trust the gardener. He knows how to secure, he knows how to protect, he knows how to cultivate it. He also knows how to treasure it with so much pride, protecting them from drifting away from his garden to another garden. The fact that when little rain drops on it, it begins to tickle, but later on it blooms when the sun comes on it. This will make the gardener forever proud of its flowers. This is God creation. So guys, we've finally come to the end of today's episode of Time with Nature. I hope you enjoyed seeing the beautiful flowers. Give this video a thumbs up already. Remember to subscribe, comment, and share. And then I'll see you in my next video. Bye.